Welcome to episode 16 of making a Lego build for each book of the Bible. Today's book of the Bible is the book of Nehemiah.
The walls of Jerusalem had been destroyed, but the Israelites were back and ready to rebuild the walls. Now, as you can guess, the enemies weren't very happy about it. So in Nehemiah chapter 4, we read how all of the workers carried a tool in one hand and carried a weapon in the other hand, ready to defend their city from the enemies of God. Have a good one, and remember, God is good.